See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
All right, so I came into the office early because, as you can see, we are setting up a studio so that anytime anybody brings a case, we need to interview the person. We can do that. We are padding the wall and just doing everything. So while I was going through the internet on Instagram, I just saw tags, and then this is one of the comments I saw, right? And it says, hear me out. 70% of Wizkid FC fucks with VDN. Now let's all go unfollow the Very Dark Man, which is my backup account, and Very Dark Black Man, which is my main account. Is a very sentimental person who doesn't and never stood for the truth. I don't like threats, So we are going to do a test today, right? 70% of my followers on Instagram, 2.8 million is what follow me on Instagram. 70% of it is around 1.6 million. If 1.6 million come leave my followers, it's going to be about 800 and something thousand. Now I'm giving you people a tax, and your integrity depends on this tax. Before the end of today, I should have 800 and something thousand followers. If not, don't ever open your mouth to talk to me again in this manner. Your integrity depends on it. Now, she said that he's a very sentimental person who doesn't and never stood for the truth. You're the one being sentimental. You people are sentimental. And let me tell you something about truth. Truth is not what people like to hear. It hurts. That's why a lot of you are hurting. Do you understand? So your integrity as a fan base depends on this. If by the end of today, I don't have 800 and something thousand followers, there's a problem. Now, let me further tell you this. The mistake you make in this country, nobody can cancel me. I'll tell you that for free. You don't do anything for me. Do you understand? It's not like I need the likes and the plenty comments so that one brand can see that, oh, Very Dark Man have an engagement to approach me. I'm not interested in those things. You can only cancel somebody that wants something from you. I don't want anything from you. I give to you people instead. So shut up your mouth. But now I'll put you to test. Your integrity depends on this. If you people don't follow me, if you people don't follow me before the end of today, it's a problem. Now, this other one said again, I don't know where they are getting this their percent from. Remember, you are also insulting your fans. I am sure 80% of your fans na FC. If you think na lie, do a poll and see yourself. Make believe. Shut up your mouth. 80% where? 80% of your fans. Do I have fans? Wizkid have fans. Davido have fans. Burna Boy have fans. Rema have fans. Chella have fans. I don't have fans. I have a movement. Movements are serious-minded people that want to achieve something. Fans are people that that regardless of what somebody say, they will still support. I have a movement. They bash me. They bash me. Movement is all of us go jam shoulder. I know if you see you or carry bouncer, they push you. Do you understand? I no get fans. Stop saying I hate it when they say Very Dark Man fans. Movement. We have a movement. It's different. Do you understand? But you people have a test to do. If by the end of today I don't get 200 and something followers, you people are jokers. I should never open that your mouth again to say we are the strongest fan base. It means you don't have no power. Today is your greatest test. In short, let me add Facebook. I have 4.2 million on Facebook. I have 2.8 million on Instagram, making 7 million followers. If you take out 70% of it, it's going to leave me with 2.1 million followers thereabout on my both socials. Do you understand? It's going to leave. I'm waiting for you. If that doesn't happen today, don't ever open your mouth to tell me you are a strong fan base. Or you think, who do you think you are talking to? You want to cancel Very? What do you do for Very? Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You have a test and you must fulfill that test. You have a test. And they give una before the end of today. In short, no. Before, and they give una wait till the time 8:11. And they give una till that time 12. By that time the video don't go viral. I don't see am. If una don't follow me today, I don't want you to say Wizkid FC or anything on the corner self. Be the strongest fan base. In short, I will add the tax. Make the 30 BG. And all of my join. Do am. You keep forgetting that you have 200 and 300 and something million people in Nigeria. You keep forgetting. You are a joker. Still they do all those nonsense for you. They find wetin be say go make country better. You disrespect a legend where they project Nigeria, where people they respect. You talk to them like say they caricature am for Instagram, they insult am. He gave you people that road to do that thing. He's a man that people like Obama they cut cap for. Former president of America, you open your soccer away now the vomit sheets. They sort am, they caricature and say they wear pine, they perform, they put it go, they do this one, they say this one a hooligan, a tout. And they see all the comment of like say I be different. You are jokers. You don't know your history, you don't respect your history. You see how other people, other country, they treat their people like their past legends. Like God. Imagine somebody waking up tomorrow to talk about Martin Luther King like that, or Michael Jackson like that. The whole America will sink you. They can't even try it. Nigeria now they wow on herself. I give it now to before 12 o'clock today. If my followers not reduce, if I ever hear now open my mouth for the social media again, now rubbish. I go pour on. I don't give a text. Peace and love, don't play. How do you all like my studio? Rover. They work on now. Good things. So get some kind of case where they say me I know if you talk. Now the person mouth and I go hear am from. And so that when the problem start, I'll be saying I then talk. You guys have till 12. Bye. Don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn. I will learn the hard way.